Hey everyone, if you are getting the failed to send message error on Instagram and can't send DMs, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent messages from being sent. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and try again. Next, restart the Instagram app and your phone. Close the app completely, restart your device and check if messages start sending. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and install any available updates. Outdated versions may have bugs that affect messaging. Now, check if your account has been restricted. If you have sent too many messages in a short time, Instagram might temporarily block you. Try waiting a few hours and sending messages again. If the issue continues, clear Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing the error. Another thing to check is Instagram server status. If Instagram is down, DMs may not work. Visit a site like Down Detector to see if others are facing the same issue. If it's a server problem, you have to wait for Instagram to fix it. Finally, log out and log back in. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Logout, then sign back in and check if messages are sent. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.